Genetic inheritance. Most of the genes linked to a cancer predisposition follow an autosomal dominant inheritance pattern, meaning that the disease affects both men and women. If you inherited a pathogenic variant in a cancer predisposition gene, the probability of passing this variant to each of your children is 1 in 2 or 50%, regardless of how many children you have. The probability of passing the variant on does not skip a generation. If neither parent has the pathogenic variant, their children will not have it either. Although uncommon, a person may have inherited 2 different genes that predispose them to cancer. For example, an individual who is a BRCA1 carrier and a CHEK2 carrier would present the risks associated with each of these genes. An individual could have inherited from his or her parents, who were both carriers, 2 non-functional copies of the same cancer predisposition gene. The consequences would be different according to the gene involved and could be minimal or significant. For example, when both parents carry a BRCA2 pathogenic variant, each of their children has a 25% risk of inheriting both BRCA2 pathogenic variants. This situation is associated with a rare genetic disease called Fanconi anemia, which is associated with an increased risk of pediatric cancer as well as other physical anomalies. For certain cancer predisposition genes, genetic testing may be suggested to the spouse of an individual carrying a pathogenic variant to assess the risk of another disease in the couple's children.